Take back control from Microsoft. We're about to show you a software that is completely free, very useful, and something you should definitely have on your computer. The name of this software is WinAero Tweaker. It's a GUI tool that gives you access to hidden Windows settings that you normally can't change. How to download and use it. This software is 100% free. I'm not giving the direct download link. Instead, I want you to search for WinAero Tweaker on Google. This is just a small filter to make sure only those move forward who are willing to do a little search themselves. Backup and restore. Before using it, you should know how to undo changes in case something goes wrong. There's a button called Reset All Tweaks. It brings everything back to the default settings. Once you're happy with your custom changes, you can use Export Tweaks to create a backup, and later use Import to restore them easily. This software is organized into different categories, such as Windows 11 settings. Let's start with the Windows 11 section, which includes useful tweaks. The first one is Classic Full Context Menus. Turn this on to bring back the classic right-click menus in Windows 11. Instead of clicking Show More Options every time, the full menu will appear directly. To apply this, you'll need to restart File Explorer. It will close all open File Explorer windows, so make sure to save your work and then click Restart Explorer. You can also change the taskbar to a classic style using this tool. Disable background apps. This is one of the most useful features. Here you can disable all background apps with one click. Windows 11 doesn't give you a built-in option to stop all background activity for Microsoft Store apps at once. You usually have to disable them one by one. But with this tweak, you can stop all store apps from running in the background in one go. This can help save battery and improve performance. Disable Copilot. If you don't use Windows Copilot, the AI assistant, you can turn it off here. Copilot is built into Windows 11 starting from version 23H2 and Windows 10 build 19045.3754 and above. When you disable Copilot, it also removes the Copilot button from your taskbar, so you don't need to turn it off separately. Enable Ribbon in File Explorer. If you miss the old-style File Explorer with the ribbon menu, this tweak brings it back. You have two ways to do this. 1. Enable the checkbox. This adds a registry tweak to bring back the ribbon UI permanently. 2. Use a launcher. If the tweak stops working, you can use a launcher that opens the control panel first, then loads File Explorer with the ribbon. It may not work perfectly every time. For example, if you open many File Explorer windows, the next one might not show the ribbon. But most of the time, it works and gives you the classic look you're used to. Enable stickers on desktop background. Want to personalize your desktop? Enable this feature to place fun stickers directly on your wallpaper. Just turn it on, right-click the desktop, and select Add or Edit Stickers. You'll get a window with a sticker gallery and a search bar to pick what you like. Remove Windows Spotlight icon. If you use Windows Spotlight as your background, you've probably seen the Learn More about this picture icon on your desktop. Don't like it? You can easily hide it with this tweak. Disable ads and unwanted apps. Windows 10 and 11 often show ads, and even install unwanted apps like Candy Crush or Twitter on their own. This tweak disables promotional tiles, auto-installed apps, and other annoying ad features. making your system cleaner and faster. Enable Automatic Registry Backup. Microsoft turned off Auto Registry Backups by default in Windows 10 version 1803. This tweak re-enables it, giving you regular backups of the Windows registry for better system recovery. Disable Look for an app in the store prompt whenever you open an unknown file type. Windows may ask you to look for an app in the store. This tweak removes that prompt. Now you'll only see apps already installed on your PC. Disable Automatic Maintenance. Windows performs scheduled tasks like updates and scans when your PC is idle. If this causes freezing or high CPU usage, disable it with this option for better performance during idle time. Disable Download Blocking. Windows adds security tags to downloaded files and warns you before opening them. Use this tweak to turn off those warnings for a smoother experience. Disable Driver Updates. Want more control over your drivers? Disable automatic driver updates through Windows Update to avoid unwanted or unstable driver installations. Disable OneDrive folder backup prompt. This stops Windows from asking to move your documents, pictures, or desktop folders to OneDrive, keeping your files local and private. Disable Windows Updates. Stop automatic updates, restarts, pop-ups, and forced upgrades, all with a single setting. Use this tweak for full control over when and how Windows updates. Enable USB write protection. Want to block copying files to USB drives? This tweak makes all USB drives read-only, perfect for protecting data and stopping malware spread. Reconnect USBs after enabling. Enable Windows Installer in safe mode. Windows Installer doesn't work in safe mode by default. Enable this option to install or uninstall programs while troubleshooting in safe mode. Disable Auto Repair at boot. Stop Windows from auto repairing after boot failure. Use this only if you prefer manual troubleshooting and know what you're doing. Boot Options tweaks change hidden boot settings, like removing, updating registry messages. Most of these settings aren't available in normal Windows menus, so use with caution. Customize the right-click menu. Add useful tools to your context menu, such as Install for CAB files, Edit for images, PowerShell shortcuts, classic system settings, and many more, all easily accessible with a right click. Disable Annoyances and Bloat in Microsoft Edge. This tweak helps you clean up and speed up Microsoft Edge by turning off unnecessary features, pop-ups, and built-in bloat. Disable Windows Defender. Windows 10 only. Note: you must disable tamper protection first. Go to Windows Security, Virus, and Threat Protection, Manage Settings, and turn off tamper protection. Then, you can use this tweak to fully disable Windows Defender Antivirus. Keep in mind, this works only on Windows Pro or higher, not Home Edition. With these tweaks, your system and browser should now run faster and with fewer distractions. For more practical tools and tutorials, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon